Tired of your vital PDF data being trapped and inaccessible within static documents? Let's break those walls down and unleash that data into the dynamic world of Looker Studio. Unfortunately, Looker Studio doesn't directly accept PDF files as a data source, so we need to get a little creative. Step 1 involves converting your PDF into a compatible format like Google Sheets or CSV. Online converters or your friends here. Just search for PDF to CSV or PDF to Google Sheets. Be mindful of the converter's reliability and security to protect your data. If your PDF contains tables, you can often copy and paste them directly into a Google Sheet. Make sure your data is clean and properly formatted in the sheet before connecting it to Looker Studio. Manually cleaning might be required if the PDF formatting messes with the paste. For complex PDFs or large volumes of documents, consider using a dedicated data extraction tool. Tools like Tabula, PFtables, or even Adobe Acrobat's built-in features can automate the process of pulling data from PDFs. These usually come with a price, so explore free trials first. Once your data is in Google Sheets or a CSV, head over to Looker Studio and click Add Data. Choose Google Sheets or CSV file upload. Depending on where your data is stored, authorize access if prompted. Then select the appropriate sheet or file. Now, you're ready to build stunning reports using your previously inaccessible PDF data. Remember to double-check your data types in Looker Studio to ensure accurate visualizations, and that's it. Now go forth and transform those PDFs into powerful data stories.